Hey there, fashion lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that I know you're all curious about. What's in and what's out for 2024? Now, before we get started, let me just say, fashion is personal. And if you love something, wear it with confidence. But if you're looking to refresh your style and step into the new year with a modern edge, stick around. We're about to spill some tea on 5 things to leave behind in 2024 and what to wear instead. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our style tips and tricks. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about those oversized logos plastered across everything from t-shirts to handbags. While they've had their moment, 2024 is all about subtlety and sophistication. Instead of screaming brand names, opt for pieces with understated elegance. What to wear instead? Look for clothing and accessories with minimalist designs and subtle branding. Think small, embossed logos, or even better, no visible logo at all. A classic white tee paired with well-fitted jeans and a sleek handbag can speak volumes without saying a word. Next up, massive fast fashion hauls. While it's tempting to buy a ton of trendy pieces on the cheap, it's not great for your wallet or the planet in the long run. In 2024, we're embracing quality over quantity. What to wear instead? Invest in versatile, high-quality basics that you can mix and match. A well-curated capsule wardrobe will serve you much better than a closet bursting with items you'll wear once and forget. Think, a great blazer, perfectly fitting jeans, and a crisp white button-down. Pro tip: when shopping, ask yourself, can I style this at least 3 different ways? If the answer is yes, it's a keeper. I know, some of you are clutching your skinny jeans right now, but hear me out. While they're not completely out, ultra skinny styles can look a bit dated. It's time to embrace some new silhouettes. What to wear instead? Straight leg and wide leg jeans are having a major moment. They're comfy, versatile, and oh so chic. For a modern look, try a high-waisted straight leg jean paired with a tucked-in blouse and some statement earrings. Ladies, life's too short for painful feet. Those sky-high stilettos that pinch your toes? It's time to retire them. 2024 is all about looking good and feeling good. What to wear instead? Embrace the cool comfort trend with chunky loafers, sleek mules, or stylish sneakers. For dressier occasions, try a block heel or a kitten heel. They're back and better than ever. Remember, confidence is the best accessory, and it's hard to strut your stuff when your feet are screaming. Last but not least, let's talk about those matching sweatsuits we all lived in during the work-from-home era. While they served us well, it's time to level up our loungewear game. What to wear instead? Elevated comfort is the name of the game. Think coordinated separates in luxe fabrics like silk or soft cotton. A pair of wide-leg palazzo pants with a matching camisole topped with a cozy cardigan gives you that put-together look while keeping you comfy. So there you have it, folks, 5 things to leave behind in 2024 and what to wear instead. Remember, these are just guidelines. The most important thing is to wear what makes you feel confident and fabulous. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your style-savvy friends. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. What are you leaving behind in 2024? What trends are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish.